our assembly about World War II. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our assembly about Taiwan. I know they're a lot bigger than us, Sam, as we based our topic last week. Okay, we'll do the Mother King top then. A very, very lovely guy. We will shed new light on one of the oldest unsolved crimes in the history of the world. Who murdered King Tut? We will introduce you to the main suspects who were spoken to by the police at the time to reenact some vital scenes which will help you decide which ones of the three perpetrators will decide who all those years ago performed the evil deed and deprived the Egyptians of the pharaoh who could have been the finest of them all. Akhenaten was the pharaoh before Tutankhamun. As he grew older, his son, Smenkhare, was doomed to take over the role as he was next in line. The throne needed a new heir. It came to a form of a young boy named Tutankhaten, who later changed his name to Tutankhamun, a much cooler name. Each had reason to call the boy King Horror. So, Advisor I, here I am, 9 years old, and in charge of the whole of Egypt. What happens next? What should I do? The first thing you must do is get married. You need a wife to keep all your papers in order and to advise you. But I must warn you, it is a very messy business, my dear king. Yes, but every good embalmer must always check the body he is given as a dead one. There are several ways we have developed over the years. As we all know, we check his pulse. Right through the skull, like this. Then out slowly. What? Is it really necessary to remove the brain? Yes. After all, what use would it be to you in the afterlife? I don't care. Just don't remove my brain when I die. Leave it with me, just in case. Step 3. Then we call it in the room. People have see the boy king. Thought was the body of right king acknowledged. Yes, the appearance of a man.
So, what he's trying to say is that if you were bad boys and lots of lies, your heart would be large and heavy.
But if you were a good boy and didn't tell any lies, then your heart would be light.
So, if I was good, then my heart would weigh less than the better. And I can go and see my friends. And if I wasn't, my heart would weigh
and their heart will be eaten by an ugly beast called the devourer.
As we know, we're all keeping an open mind, but it is now up to you to consider the evidence.
I hope that we have put your minds to rest so you can sleep well tonight. Take care and thanks for watching.
Thank you, Year 5. An excellent assembly and some wonderful acting. I particularly like the song. I think you should be prepared to do that again when we finish, alright? Let's hear it one more time for Year 5, please.